What's up, guys? This is John from Handcrafted, doing a driving video of this 2020 BMW M8 that we just got done installing a full Stinger speed trap protection system in, full front rear radar laser protection in this vehicle. And as you can see right here, we have our display, our strip display from Stinger right there. And I am going to drive towards Nick right now, who's got an actual Dragonite gun he's going to try and hit me with. We're gonna see if he can get me. Oh, laser. So you see the display goes red, gives me the indicator that he's trying to hit me. So now we're gonna pull up to Nick and we're gonna see if he was able to get my speed. What's the word?
Couldn't get you.
Couldn't get me?
Couldn't get you.
Got me now.